Celebrity Chef Mark
The
Kalick.
one, the only, Chef Mark.
Our buddy, Chef Mark Kalick.
We have celebrity chef Mark Kalick.
Hi everyone, Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. Dial a Chef. I get questions all the time from people who subscribe to this channel. They have great questions and I'm here to answer some of them. So a recent question I got was, I hear about soft closed doors, I hear about French closed doors on ovens. What's the right thing for me? And that's a great question. So let's review. French door, if you don't know, just like your refrigerator, both doors open simultaneously. And that's really important because in a commercial restaurant, French door ovens have been around forever, but when you open one door, the other will swing back, and if you're trying to put something in, it'll swing and you can burn your arm. You'll see a lot of professional chefs have marks on their arms from that. But what's beautiful about this GE oven, and there's other manufacturers out there that are starting to do this, like Viking. You pull one door, the other opens with it. It's one-hand operation, and it's very easy to get close to the oven when you're placing something in there. It's something that we see a lot in homes for people who might have be in wheelchairs or have accessibility issues. So that's French door. A conventional door in an oven, of course, opens straight out. And if you have something big and heavy, you have to reach over. This is the conventional closing door. Slam. Okay. Not a big deal unless you're baking something really, really delicate and you accidentally close the door quickly. You could have your cake fall. Beyond that, conventional oven door works great. Just you have to get used to the fact that you have to close it softly yourself. Let's go check out a soft close door. Here I have a soft close door, and these work fantastic. When you close the door, you can see how they just glide shut. Typically you see these in more premium ovens, and I really love them. Once you get used to a soft closed door, you can't go back. So that answers the question about the 3 types of oven doors that you can come into Appliance Factory and check out. If you have questions, make sure you send your emails to dialchefmark@gmail.com, and make sure to subscribe to our channel.